So this is a operations based prompt here. So we're going to say design a dashboard workflow that gives me a one-page daily snapshot of open tickets, overdue tasks, resource utilization, order fulfillment status, and risks. I just picked random things. Suggest the best tool and automation setup to feed this in real time, assuming I use, and then I just picked 3 applications. You would put your own in here. I put in Shopify, QuickBooks Online, and ServiceNow. So first it goes through and creates our dashboard components. So what it thinks we're going to want to see on this dashboard. Obviously, if you already know, you would put that in there, but it's giving us open tickets, overdue tasks, resource utilization, which we talked about, order fulfillment and risks, all the things that we asked it to give us, it gave us. And then it's giving us the tool recommendations. All right, so if you want to build this is what you're going to need. So it looks like it landed on Power BI or using Zapier or Make or something like that to basically easily sync this data across into a workable platform. And then it gives you kind of step-by-step how to set up the automation. Obviously, this isn't step-by-step. If you've never done automation before, you could ask it to give you granular, non-technical step-by-step instructions, and it would walk you through this. And then it kind of gives you the dashboard layout here, one page. It will give you how it's going to lay out your KPIs. And you would obviously change all this. And then it's telling you here, if you want a true real-time streaming, you would have to, set this up in a way that it's refreshing, every minute or every second, depending on the size of your company.